Hey my loves, today I'm going to just show you the different varieties of things I had to do for my friend's daughter's birthday party, with the frosting, the brownies, the cake pops, and the Oreo cookie and cream cake. So I'm pretty much going to be solid in this video, so enjoy. Alright, so I'm making some cake pops. Cake pops are pretty easy to make. But there's certain things I need to let you know when you're dealing with cake pops. I really don't care for cake pops. I don't know, I don't know, I just don't care for it like that. I'll make it, but the first thing you gotta do is whatever cake you have, you could even do it with a hand mixer, but if you have a lot, of course, you're gonna use a stand mixer. You gotta make sure everything is crumbled. Okay, that's the goal. All right, and then you're gonna add, I would add it by quarter cups, your whatever buttercream or frosting that you're using. You could use the box and canned frosting, but add it like a quarter cup at a time. Okay, until you reach that right consistency. Okay, because you don't want to add so much, because when you add so much, it'll have that greasy feel under your tongue. Okay, to me, I think the best, but this was cake I had chilling prior. But I think the best time to really make cake pops, I think when you get it fresh out of the oven. I think you could use the heat and everything like that to just start. The minute it comes out of the oven, then you start working it. And I don't really think at that moment you'll need buttercream. Okay, so you could try that, but as you can see, that's what I'm doing in this part. Just getting it to like a dough consistency. Now I'm gonna start speeding everything up, but this is what you want. You see, right there. All right, and I'm gonna start speeding everything up because we got some nice big balls right here. Okay, so I need about 12 of these. So you could usually, so you have different size of the cake pop balls that you could do, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm gonna make the balls nice about this. I think I have enough for 12 anyway, which is what we need. So I'm gonna go with this size of the balls, which is about 3 tablespoons. Okay. Now, of course, my friend also requested for her daughter, Kammy, who I love so much. She is so adorable. I love her. Some nice brownies. So I decided to make some nice fudgy, chocolatey brownies. So, of course, melted some chocolate. Then I'm adding some Dutch processed cocoa, which is a darker chocolate. I added some a little bit of espresso in there because that pushes the chocolate flavor out, and so forth. And this is like a nice lava consistency, So I'm folding the dry ingredients in and so forth. And I'm gonna put it into my pan, which I lined with a parchment paper. And as you're gonna see, my loves, I'm gonna start adding some Nutella. Then I'm going to add some chocolate chips on top because I want it chocolatey. And I don't like cakey brownies. I mean, to me, if you're going to have a cakey brownie, you might as well have just regular chocolate cake. To me, a brownie should be fudgy, chewy. That's what a brownie is to me. So, enjoy. So now that I baked the brownies, guys, I take them out of the oven. What you're gonna do, I just drop it on the counter so it could create more of that crackling effect on top. And I let it cool for quite a few hours before I cut it. Now we getting ready to start that Oreo cookie and cream cake. Okay, and I'm gonna speed this process up just so you can watch it and see how I put this Oreo cookies and cream cake together. It's a white cake with crushed Oreos in it, the homemade American buttercream, and so forth. And I'll putting frosting on the base of the board itself so the cake can stay in place. And you'll start seeing that I'm putting rods, the plastic bubble straws in there because it's going to be like a 10-inch and an 8-inch on top, just so we could secure it. But enjoy. And here are the cake pops that I did and the brownies. And guys, let me tell you something. Always make sure your presentation is everything. Presentation is everything. I mean, you can have a beautiful cake and hand it on a garbage can, but it's all about presentation. So just remember that. Take a little bit extra time. And I know sometimes it's of the essence, but always take a little bit of time, if you can, to just go the extra mile, like packaging each of the brownies individually, putting some packaging the cake pops individually and putting some nice bow ties on them, just to spoof it up and make it look pretty. So it's party time. Delivered the cake and so forth to the party. Did the cake pops, the Oreo cookies and cream cake, and the brownies. Hey, Alicia. Everything made it there in one piece, thank God. And here's the birthday girl right here, Miss Kammy. All right. And she's looking at her cake. And I'm just going to let you watch the rest, guys, because I'm blabbing too much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kammy. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Now you get cake. use it only in the shower and when I'm drunk.
Oh wow!
Good job.
You know.
Yeah, he's standoffish at times.
Yeah, they could be like that. Yeah.
And one time, he has a new album out.
Oh really? Wow.
What had happened was,